Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome to yet another video, and today we're going to be doing the first impressions of the Anker Soundcore Live No Truly Wireless earphone. Now this is something that a lot of you have asked for in the comment section below, and while we don't get any review units from Anker, we thought we'll just buy it and give you some videos of the same. Now while we're working on a review, we thought we'll let you know our first impressions on what you can expect, especially considering the fact that this is now available at a cheaper price point of Rs 2,999 compared to the MRP of Rs 6,999. Now before we get this started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications for more videos like this. Now let's begin the video. Now the first thing that will strike you clearly is the fact that these earphones are quite big. And big in the sense that the case itself is humongous and almost twice the size of something like the Oppo Enco W11 that we showcased recently. Now the reason for this is the fact that it has a huge 810 mAh battery inside it, which is at least double compared to most of the other typical truly wireless earphones that you get. Now what this also means is that you get a claimed capacity of 40 hours of battery life with the case and 7 hours on a single charge as well with the earphones itself. Now we will be doing a full test which actually verifies those numbers, but judging by how Realme Buds Q, for example, gives you 20 hours of charge with a 400 mAh battery, we're inclined to believe them, but we will verify the same again as we said in the review. Now in terms of the basic design itself, these are quite similar to the Oppo Enco W31 as they have a stem type design. They are better in a few ways. Number one, you actually do get a physical button that you can click and use to control tracks and other things such as play or pause music. So all you have to do is press once in order to play or pause music, and you can double press the left earbud in order to rewind or go to the previous track. Double clicking the right earbud takes you to the next track, while pressing and holding will bring up the assistant or Siri. Now right out of the case itself, these did not have any level of charge considering the connectors were taped off, but actually a 5-minute charge was good enough for us to do some testing, and it also gives you a fast charge option where you charge for 10 minutes and you can listen for up to an hour. Although the case itself is quite big, it comes in a white or black color, and earphones do come in the same colors, and it has a soft touch matte finish along with the USB Type-C port as well. Now I quite like the placement of the earphones too, which are asymmetrical, and it looks quite different and quite elegant to be honest, and definitely stands out from the crowd, which generally happens to be very symmetrical. Now, these were very comfortable to wear during the time that I tested, and the isolation was also really good. In terms of audio quality, the 6mm graphene drivers actually punch way above its weight in terms of actually offering a sound output that can rival even larger drivers. Now I felt that the bass was very natural and did have enough oomph when you needed it to, but again it was not too overpowering. And while we will dive into other aspects of audio including call quality as well as gaming, we actually had no issues, be it for video watching or for music, during our time so far. Guessing the audio quality for calls also will be quite good thanks to the 4 microphones, and it also comes with 1.5 years of warranty, which is 6 months more than most other manufacturers provide. Now at the asking price of Rs 2,999, I am inclined to say that I would probably recommend these earphones considering they're really good value for money, and especially with that sort of a battery life, it will last most people a couple of days of use, if not an entire week of use, depending on how often you use your earphones. Now I will wait for the full review to pass my final judgment, but these are looking so good so far, especially at the current asking price of Rs 2,999. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.